Ever find yourself scrambling to deposit cash and needing a quick, easy solution? Alright, let's dive into the simple process of depositing money at Commerzbank ATM. First things first, locate a Commerzbank ATM, like the one you see on the screen. Once you're there, ensure the area is well lit and you feel secure. Now, approach the machine and look for the deposit slot. That's your first action step. Usually, it's a separate slot from where you put your card. Sometimes, the slot may be labeled Einzahlen or have symbols indicating money. Note that the exact location can vary depending on the ATM model, but you should be able to locate the money input slot or money symbol. Next, insert your Commerzbank card into the appropriate card slot. The screen will then prompt you to enter your PIN. Carefully enter your PIN using the keypad, and then press the Enter or OK button. Double check your PIN. This is crucial to avoid any problems. After this step, the ATM will provide you with options. Select Einzahlen deposit on the screen. You'll then be prompted to insert your money. This is where you'll insert your banknotes into the deposit slot. Make sure your bills are neatly stacked and not folded. The machine will then count the money. Be patient while it's doing this. Once the count is complete, the screen will display the total amount deposited. Review the amount displayed on the screen. If it correctly matches the amount of money you deposited, confirm the transaction by pressing the corresponding button, usually labeled Bestätigen. Confirm. If there is a discrepancy, there is often an option to cancel and attempt to deposit again, or to contact Commerzbank for support. Finally, the machine will issue a receipt. Take your receipt. It's a proof of your transaction and confirms the deposit. Remove your card, and you're all set. And that's it. You've successfully deposited money at Commerzbank ATM. Remember to store your receipts safely and keep your card and PIN secure. Depositing is now just a few simple steps away.